vegan high protein omelette. This is what you need. 1 cup of mung bean soaked overnight, or you can soak it for 6 to 8 hours. 2 tablespoons bell pepper chopped, 1 teaspoon green chili chopped, 1 tablespoon onion chopped, 1 tablespoon cilantro chopped, 2 tablespoons tomato, and 1/4 cup of vegan cheese, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let's get started. Here I have the 1 cup of mung bean which I have soaked overnight, and you can see it is nice and soft now. We will make it into a smooth paste, but not adding additional water to it. I've taken out the extra water out of it. If you just need, you can add maybe a tablespoon or 2 of water, but not more than that. So the mung bean paste is ready. Now I'm going to put 2 tablespoons full of this, or 3 tablespoons full of this, into another bowl, which I'm going to use for the omelette, and rest of it you can store it in the refrigerator. To this one we will add water. I've added half a cup of water, and now we will whisk it, make it smooth. Add little more water. We want it very liquidy, don't want very thick batter. Now to this we will add onions, tomato, green chilies, bell peppers, cilantro, salt, black pepper, cumin powder, baking powder, and turmeric. Now we will give it a mix. Our batter is ready. So first of all, I'll add a couple of drops of oil on the pan. On this I will add the mixture, and then spread it. I'll cover it. It's been about a minute. Now we'll uncover it. You can see how the color of it has changed. We'll just add a little bit of oil. Try to loosen it from the sides. It has loosened from the pan now. And I'll try to flip it. Perfect. Now on this layer, on this side, we will add our cheese. I'll top it with a little bit of tomatoes. I'll add a little bit of paprika. I'll close the lid again just for 15 seconds more. It is done. Now we'll remove it. It's ready. Enjoy!